So it's summertime, and it's time to turn the barbecue on and get chill with a nice relaxing drink that does not need to have alcohol in it. Welcome back to my Mixology page, Alco-Not Mixology. I'm looking forward to speaking with you one-on-one at some point, but I wanted to get this video out there to you now that we're entering into this amazing season of summer. We're going to make a Piña Colada today, and very rum forward, and tastes great if you're barbecuing or just chilling in your seat or going to the beach. You can actually take it in a cooler to the beach. So let's start, okay? We've got some ice here, and I just put it in my blender, basic ice. This is gonna be a frozen drink. Next, we're gonna put some pineapple. I have fresh pineapple here. I feel like it tastes better and you get a better grit to it. So let's just cut some pineapple up. Cutting the pineapple. There you go. I try not to get the core in there. I find it to be a bit tough. So we cut our pineapple, we put it in our blender. Let's put another one in, huh? Make it nice and sweet. Why not? There we go. Ooh, that looks so good. It really does look good. And it's so sweet. I love it. I love this season. This is the best season. Let's put that in there. Let's get one more small one, shall we? This one's pretty thick, so we're gonna use this one. And again, just cut around the core. That's the hard stuff that you do not want in your drink. So there we go. 3 more pieces in there. And now, piece de resistance, the non-alcoholic rum. Now I like to use Beckett's 27. I find them to be a really great sweeter type of rum that goes really well with mixed drinks. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. I haven't opened them up yet. All right, I'm being silly now. Now I'm just being silly. I can just use my knife. There we go. Good way to get your frustrations out too, believe it or not. Sorry guys. Should probably had this open before we started taping, huh? Yeah, that would have been smart. All right, here we go. Now we're going to use the old-fashioned method of opening something like this. I could already hear my mom yelling, now you're going to break your teeth. Yeah, I'm just spending orthodontic treatments. Oh else. Now we open up the bottle. Today I'm going to use a jigger. I'm going to use about 3 ounces. So this is 1.5, 3. Let's go crazy, shall we? 4.5 ounces of rum. Yum. And then here's the fun part. Okay. So, like I mentioned, I love to put CBD bud in all of my drinks. I feel it leaves a relaxing flavor. This is the one that I use. This is wedding cake flavor. You could use any one that you'd like. I prefer something with a flavor to give it a little bit of sweetness, but again, it's up to you. Let's take a bud and cut that bad boy in half, just half. Throw him in there. Why is it a he? Could be a she, right? There you go. Make her a she. Next, we're gonna put in our rum flavor. Now you can get this from any grocery store. I happen to get this from Mexican grocery stores because I feel like they're more Mexican flavored, but again, whatever works for you, works fine. But I use the rum flavor to add a little bit more rum tinge. Tastes amazing. We'll put that in there. I put about a jigger in there just to bring out more rum flavor. Now, you can't have Piña Colada without coconut cream. I happen to like this brand. I use it for cooking. You can get it pretty much any Asian store. If you don't have an Asian store around you, try an Indian store. If you don't have an Indian store around you, go for Goya. You can always find Goya coconut cream, not the coconut water, the coconut cream in any supermarket, okay? So let's go ahead and pour some of that in there. I put about 1/2 can, and it's a nice thick flavor. I love the way it tastes. Delicious. Now, here we go. Ready for some noise, peeps? Let's get some noise up in here. Let's do that one. nice. Get all that crushed ice in there. Mix it all up nice. And then you're ready to pour. So I like to use a big Bordeaux glass because I feel it's a little bit more elegant. You can hold it from the stem, be cool. Or you could use a red sippy cup. I don't care, whatever makes you happy. Let's go ahead and put a piece of pineapple on the side too. So just cutting a piece, small little piece. That's about it. Let's pour our drink. Hope you like it. There you go. Nice and creamy and frothy. Check that out. Does that not look delicious and like something you would get at a bar? I don't want to do this. At a bar. Let's go ahead and put some pineapple on the side there to pretty it up. There you go. And that, my friends, is a Piña Colada with no alcohol. Let's give it a taste, shall we? Just like something you would get at a bar, just no alcohol. This rum is amazing. 0% alcohol, but it has all the flavor of a Caribbean rum, because this is a pineapple one. This is a coconut one, sorry. It's a coconut rum, so adds that additional flavor to it. They do sell regular rum, which is without the coconut flavor, so if you're not looking for something too sweet, go for this brand. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.